Incoming load verified at 250 tons. Consistency at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Releasing for refinement.
This vibrating screen ensures consistent particle size distribution before high-pressure water removes surface impurities for the high-performance components.
The initial alloying process is critical. Specialized robotic feeders introduce silicon, magnesium, and copper.
The AGVs deliver the chassis components to the massive 5-axis CNC milling centers. As robotic arms
Check the tension on the gauge at node 7.
Reading stable. The accelerometers are online. We are ready to proceed with the simulation.
Stripping all oils and residues, the component then enters the high-temperature oven, ensuring optimal adhesion for the protective primer.
The precision-milled aluminum chassis enters the multi-zone curing oven. Here, precise temperature profiles hard. The precision-milled aluminum alloy subframe is lowered into the Porsche 911 GT3 structure.
The process a chassis for the Porsche 911 GT3 utilizes miniature high-frequency riveting guns and structural adhesive for immense strength and rigidity.
Global alignment confirmed. No deviations detected on the subframe.
Excellent. The integration is successful.
The chassis is fully submerged into the electrocoat paint, where an electric charge provides comprehensive corrosion resistance.
The transfer marks the full conclusion of Process A component integration. The E-coated chassis is now ready for the
Okay, it's seated in the forward clips.
Confirming clearance over process A. Looks accurate. Go ahead and secure the rear mount.
We use the articulated borescope to examine these internal cavities, confirming the structural integrity of the welds. The phased array ultrasound confirms absolute structural integrity. The chassis is now ready for the Process B assembly phase.
The specialized lightweight fuel tank undergoes automated orbital welding. A continuous high-speed welding head creates a
The high-resolution X-ray confirms a perfect uniform fusion line, guaranteed. Routing path looks good on the schematic.
Confirmed. Clamps are secured.
Alignment is confirmed on all axes.
Copy that. Locking sequence initiated.
With the specialized lightweight fuel tank successfully installed and tested, the manufacturing pipeline is finalized, marking the transition to delivery.
The completed 911 GT3s are meticulously secured by automated systems, ready for their journey to international dealerships across the globe.
The lightweight construction is evident here, especially the specialized fuel tank.
So the robust fuel system is standard on this model.
The specialized lightweight fuel tank ensures exhilarating performance and exceptional range, translating directly to
Built for resilience, the specialized lightweight fuel tank utilizes an advanced protective coating, maintaining integrity against harsh environmental conditions.
The lightweight fuel cap twists shut with confirming clicks, highlighting the precision engineering that seals the special.
Fine lateral forces are managed by the internal baffles, preventing fuel slosh and maintaining consistent fuel pressure.